I have some bacon, some 2% reduced fat cheese, and some Kraft American cheese. I have some eggs, that's large eggs. I have some uncured beef franks and some oven-ready lasagna. I'm going to be making lasagna. I have some sugar-cured bacon, the thick slices, some reduced fat American 2% cheese, Kraft Singles American cheese, uncured beef franks, some large eggs, and some oven-ready lasagna. I'm going to be making some lasagna. Let me put this stuff up and then I'll name the rest of the stuff. I have some Snickers, fun-size Snickers, some yellow diced peaches, some Reese's peanut butter cups, some no bean chili, some Cheez-Its original crackers, and some whole milk by Friendly Farm. Whole milk. I have some hamburger patties, 85% lean, 15% fat, some hamburger buns, some hot dog buns, some fruit snacks, some Gatorade, and some water back there. You see the water? Okay. Okay, I'm going to make 3 different kinds of chicken here. I'm going to make lemon pepper, teriyaki, and jerk chicken. So first I'm going to make the lemon pepper. I have 2 chicken legs for each of the flavors chicken I'm going to use. So I'm going to marinate them first. Starting off with the lemon pepper. Let me get me a glove. Okay, I'm going to marinate these 2 chicken legs with lemon pepper. Have to shake it up good first. Pour a little lemon pepper in here on the chicken legs. We only have 2, so we don't need a whole lot of lemon pepper mayonnaise sauce. Stir it up a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit more on there because I think it needs a little bit more so it can soak in there good. And we're going to be baking this chicken. And they say, the mayonnaise sauce say let it set for 30 minutes. So I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let this set for 30 minutes. And next I'm going to do my other one. Now I'm going to do the teriyaki chicken. Put a little sauce on there. And let it marinate for 30 minutes. I'm going to let them all marinate for 30 minutes. Then I'm going to put them in the oven and bake them. This is a test. I'm going to see which ones I like the best. Next I'm going to set this in the refrigerator, and then I'm going to do my jerk chicken. Okay guys, this here is my jerk. I couldn't show you putting my jerk seasoning on there because someone outside has started playing music and I wanted to hurry up and get through, so I went ahead on and put the seasoning on there, and now I'm going to put this in the oven.